where do I put this thing? I don't know. And the age-old question, where do you put your phone while you're riding? Maybe you need to see it for directions. Maybe you need to know if you need to pick that phone up without digging it out of your pocket and stopping on the trail. Well, StarknightMT has hooked us up with the solution. We're going to be able to mount our phone onto the cage of our side-by-side right around this area. Now with this one, you'll actually set the width of your phone. So you'll put your phone in here, you'll set it to the width, and you'll actually screw it down. You know, you don't want it so tight you can't get this thing in and out, but we do want it to be pretty stout. This is a soft rubber material, kind of an anti-slip type. I mean, and the rest of this is steel. And then, of course, we've got kind of our extension spot. You can sit your phone in here, fold it down, stick it in there. I'll go grab a phone so I can show you what that looks like. So it looks like this phone would fit pretty snug in there, and we will just kind of just shove it up, push it in, and then let it go. And now this thing, now let's see. Okay, I don't think it's coming out. That's like a real test. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is just take our little mount. I've already got the screws in. You may have to unscrew it a little bit. So we're just going to tighten this clamp up. And once we get it good and tight, we will get our ball mount on it. The next thing we'll want to do is mount our ball. So we'll take this big screw that they gave us. Hopefully you can see that. And just put it in there. And it looks like it is a threaded hole. So we'll just get that tightened up. They've also included a little wrench. We're going to attach our ball to the back of our mount. The next step, we will unscrew this, and it will attach to the ball on the back of this one, and then on the ball on the one on our machine. So let's take it over there, attach it, and see what. Alright guys, that's the install of the StarknightMT phone mount holder. A little bit of a closer look. This thing is awesome. I mean, it looks good. It's not really taking up any space. I'm not hitting anything, so we'll take it for some crazy trail rides and see what happens. But guys, I'm giving this definitely an easy 5 stars.